Hey Angela, so just go to modules when you're in the class. Go to the planner assignment page, which is a discussion, and you know that because it's got those two little icons. And then you are assigned to a group. I'm not sure which one. I'd have to go check, but you should probably be able to see that. And then you get the planner here by just clicking, and you can if you right click like this, you can, save the link as, and you fill out the planner following the instructions. And then you go down to here and you reply and you attach the filled out planner here. Choose a file. And, if it's on your desktop, you just open it, and that's how you do it.